All right, so let's do a tour of my roll cart. It's Snap-on. I got this baby for $3.50. Kimball Midwest holders, Easy Red, and that's Kimball. Stickers, which is my favorite part. If you got any, send me some. My 1/2-inch drive metric and standard sockets are Olsa. They're nice. They're like $50 for this whole set. Can't beat that. So I got Capri 3/8 sockets. These are very affordable and very nice. I haven't broken one for years. All right, the socket trays are Olsa. This is 3-row, this is 2-row. Axion, Icon. My kid bought me that for Christmas. Some Toolbox widgets. Olsa Tools magnetic socket rails, can't beat that. First drawer is my Ratchets, Pro Feet, and super shallow sockets right here. I think these are Astro, yep. All right, the ratchets are pretty simple. I got Tecton, Matco, gear wrench, and then pretty much that's it. I got one Pittsburgh here, and then I got my Olsa. That's Olsa, and this gearless ratchet is Olsa too. My locking extensions are Olsa. My swivel extensions are Olsa. Crow's feet are Matco. Got them buy one get one. There's my wrench drawer, all the way up to 1 inch, and I got some press wrenches I got from Christmas and held in there with Toolbox widgets. Third drawer is my screwdrivers and pliers, Matco purple, beautiful. Gloves, brake adjusting tools, dimmer nitpicks, bolt cutters. These are the Snap-on wonderful pliers that everybody went crazy. The penny getters, Easy Red, I got them from Jersey Discount Tools. Olsa Tools pliers, Hobo Freight. I love them too, they're good. Lifetime warranty. It's my Olsa Tools magnet and demagnetizer. Comes in handy. Matco oil filter pliers, or Vim Tool makes them, about the same price. My fourth drawer is kind of miscellaneous wiring kit, 3/8 Matco stubby impact, Vim Tools 1/4-inch master set. Very nice. Got that from Tex Choice. I got that, and then you get a set of swivels. Olsa Tools magnetic third 3-row. I got my Torx and miscellaneous stuff in here. Milwaukee hammer. I'm in love with this thing. It hits hard. It's very malleable. Extendable 1/2-inch drive breaker bar. Number 5 is kind of miscellaneous again. Frame drill bits from Kimball. Allen wrenches. These are buy one get one free. I got that deal. My to-do list. Carbine grease gun, S-can bushing tool, and some hose clamps. And the best drawer of all is the snack drawer. Gummies, honey mustard, crackers, Kimball wipes, oil filter cup. I got that for Christmas. Flip sockets, hub cleaner, pipe wrench I got from yard sale, and my Olsa Tools 1/2-inch drive car band. And that will do it.